Stop me if this sounds familiar. You set your alarm for 6 a.m. because tomorrow is finally going to be the day you change your life. The alarm goes off. You hit snooze. Once, twice, 3 times. You finally wake up at 9, already feeling like a failure, and the day hasn't even started. You open your phone just to check the time, and suddenly it's been 2 hours of scrolling through nothing. You look at your to-do list from last week. Nothing's done. Again. Your assignments are piling up, your goals are collecting dust, your dreams feel further away than ever. And the worst part? You know exactly what you need to do. You're just not doing it. If that's you right now, this video is going to change everything, but only if you actually watch until the end. Let's talk about the pain you're feeling right now. You're stuck, completely stuck. Every night you lie in bed feeling guilty. Guilty about wasting another day, guilty about letting yourself down again. You've started 100 things, finished almost nothing. You've made promises to yourself that you keep breaking, your parents are disappointed, your friends are moving ahead, everyone around you seems to have their life together, and you're still here, in the same place, doing the same nothing. You tell yourself you'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. It's always tomorrow, always next week, always next month. Meanwhile, time is passing. You're getting older, and you're watching your life slip away, one wasted day at a time. You can feel it, can't you? That sick feeling in your stomach, the anxiety, the fear that maybe you'll never figure it out. Maybe you're just not built for success. Maybe you're destined to be average. And that thought terrifies you. You know what the worst part is? It's not that you're lazy. It's not that you don't care. It's that you do care. You care so much it hurts. You have dreams, big dreams. You want to make something of yourself. You want to prove everyone wrong. You want to be successful, respected, proud of who you are. But every single day, you wake up and do nothing about it. You've watched every motivational video on YouTube. You've read the books. You've made the plans. You've bought the journals and the planners and the productivity apps. And you're still stuck. Because motivation fades, the excitement wears off, and you're left exactly where you started. You're tired of feeling like this, tired of disappointing yourself, tired of being the person who talks about doing things but never actually does them. You're tired of watching other people win while you sit on the sidelines. You're tired of wasting your potential. And deep down, you know that if something doesn't change soon, you're going to look back at your life with nothing but regret. I need you to understand something. You are not alone. Every single successful person you admire has felt exactly what you're feeling right now. They've had days where they couldn't get out of bed, days where they felt like giving up, days where they questioned everything. The difference isn't talent, it's not intelligence, it's not luck. The difference is that they decided to stop waiting. They stopped waiting to feel motivated. They stopped waiting for the perfect moment. They stopped waiting to feel ready. They just started, messy, imperfect, scared, and they kept going. You think you need to have it all figured out before you start. You think you need to be confident, prepared, ready. But that's the trap. You don't get confident by waiting. You get confident by doing. You don't feel ready and then start. You start and then you become ready. So here's what you're going to do. And I need you to listen carefully because this is the difference between staying stuck and actually changing your life. First, you need to understand that locking in isn't about massive changes. It's not about waking up at 4 a.m. or working 12 hours a day. It's about one small decision repeated every single day. Let me introduce you to the 2-minute rule. Whatever you've been avoiding, whatever you keep saying you'll do tomorrow, you're going to do it for just 2 minutes, today, right now. Want to study? 2 minutes. Want to work out? 2 minutes. Want to work on your project? 2 minutes. I know what you're thinking. 2 minutes won't change anything. Wrong. 2 minutes breaks the pattern. 2 minutes proves to yourself that you can do it. 2 minutes builds momentum. And here's the secret. Once you start, you usually keep going. What begins as 2 minutes becomes 10, then 30, then an hour. But even if it doesn't, even if you only do 2 minutes, that's infinitely more than 0. Now let's address the real problem. Your environment is sabotaging you. Right now, your phone is within arm's reach, isn't it? Notifications are on, apps are open, distractions are everywhere. You're trying to fight a battle you've already lost. You cannot out-discipline a bad environment. You just can't. Those apps on your phone, they were designed by teams of psychologists and engineers whose only job is to keep you addicted. Every notification is a dopamine hit. Every scroll is a slot machine. You're not weak for being distracted. You're human. But here's what separates the people who succeed from the people who stay stuck. Successful people don't rely on willpower. They design their environment. Phone in another room, apps deleted, notifications off, desk cleared, distractions removed, focus mode activated. You think you'll miss out. You won't. Nothing important happens in those group chats. Nothing on social media matters. What matters is your future, and your future is being destroyed 2 minutes at a time by those tiny distractions. Here's the part nobody wants to hear. Nobody is coming to save you. Your parents can't do this for you. Your friends can't do this for you. No motivational video, not even this one, can do this for you. You are on your own. And I know that's scary. I know you wish someone would just tell you exactly what to do and hold your hand through it, but that's not how life works. You want to know why you're stuck? Because you're waiting for the right time, waiting to feel ready, waiting for things to get easier. But there is no right time. You will never feel ready. Things will not get easier. Every day you wait is a day you lose, forever. You're going to be 25 either way, 30 either way, 40 either way. The question is, are you going to be 25 with progress or 25 with regrets? Are you going to be the person who tried and failed or the person who never tried at all? Because let me tell you something, failure hurts for a moment, regret hurts forever. All right, here's the exact formula to lock in. No fluff, no BS. Step 1, pick one thing, not 5 things, one, the thing that matters most. Step 2, make it so small you can't say no. 2 minutes, that's it. Step 3, same time every day. Your brain loves routine. Use it. Step 4, track it. Calendar, X's. Don't break the chain. Step 5, when you fail, and you will, start again immediately. No guilt, no quitting, just restart. This isn't complicated, but simple doesn't mean easy. You're gonna have days where you don't want to do it, days where you're tired, days where you skip. That's fine, expected, normal. The difference between people who make it and people who don't isn't that successful people never fail. It's that they start again, every single time. Let me paint you a picture. It's 5 years from now. You're still in the same place, same habits, same excuses, same stuck feeling. You're watching people you went to school with succeed, get promotions, build businesses, live the life you wanted, and you're still there, still scrolling, still procrastinating, still saying tomorrow. How does that feel? Sick to your stomach, right? That's your future if you don't change. Today, right now. Or, different picture. 5 years from now, you've built something. You've become someone. You look back at this exact moment, this exact video, as the turning point, the day you stopped talking and started doing. Which future do you want? Because both are possible, but only one requires you to act right now. So here's what you're gonna do. When this video ends, you're not scrolling, you're not checking comments, you're not opening another app. You're standing up and you're doing 2 minutes of the thing you've been avoiding, right now. Not tomorrow, now. Your future self is begging you, literally begging you to start today. Don't let them down. Lock in. Drop a comment right now and tell me the one thing you're locking in on today. I'll reply to every single one. Subscribe if you want more real talk like this. Now stop watching and go do the thing. Your time starts now.